Hi babes, you welcome back to my channel. So this day I woke up and I was feeling bloated. I was feeling really bloated, and I remembered I had cucumber and ginger and everything you seen on this video. I decided to make a green detox juice. You can see from this cucumber it is not that fresh like the way I bought it, but then I've been lazy to do one or two things. So here I am trying to wash my vegetables. After blending, I used this sieving cloth to sieve my juice, and this is actually better from the normal sieve. And for people like us that don't have juice blender, this is a best way to sieve your juice. So yeah, this is the outcome of the juice. Since I already had remaining spinach, I decided to make a spinach pancake. So here I'm dropping my spinach in the blender and adding 3 eggs. You can add as much egg as you want. Ever since I found that I can make spinach pancake, trust me, I have this almost every day or almost every week. I just decided to show. So after blending that, you pour the batter in the bowl or in the plate, then add your pancake. Now I don't know how to make pancake from scratch, so I always get this mixed pancake. So when I pour them, I just stir till my desired texture. So this is how the pancake turned out, and I had it with my protein milkshake, and that's what I had for breakfast today. Next up, I had to do a little unboxing. I've had these boxes for like 1 week now, and I've been just lazy to do videos for my channel. I don't know why, but yeah, let's unbox. I got these both items from Purple and Mac Cafe. Now they are both the same product or the same brand. So here is my facial wash, face wash. So I got the MAC Caffeine Kojic Acid Moisturizer Cream. Next up is my face wash, my brightening face wash, and it has 1% kojic acid. And here, this is my vitamin C syrup. These are the ones I got. I already have this product for the sunscreen. I had like 2 of them, so I decided to just buy the same kit. So yeah, these are my facials, my new facials. So next up is my second one, and this I got from their website directly. Now this is perfume, like perfume scent. I'm trying to build my own scent. I really don't know anything about perfume. I want to learn more about it, so I decided to try this brand. So this particular scent is a Midnight in Bombay scent. This is also from MAC Caffeine. This particular one came in a gift set, and it has like 4 different perfume inside of it. Trust me when I say each perfume here has its own unique smell, unique scent and all. So that's that for my video, and I hope you watched till the end. I will see you all in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and comment on my video. Bye.